Today we're going to take a look at how to export an XML from Premiere Pro and import an XML into DaVinci Resolve. So you've just finished your edit in Premiere Pro and you want to take this timeline into DaVinci to do a color grade. Before you do that, there's a couple of things you need to know. If you have any visual effects on these clips, the XML won't transfer over properly. Likewise, if you have a nested sequence, you need to flatten it before you actually do the XML, otherwise it won't work. So to create our XML, we're going to click on the sequence. We're going to go up to File, Export, and Final Cut Pro XML. This will give you the option to save the file. I'll just name mine XML1 and I'll save it onto my desktop. Now we're going to go into DaVinci and import the XML and get our timeline over there ready for grading. So we've opened up DaVinci, and before we import our XML, we're going to make sure that our project settings are set up correctly. So we go over to this little cog in the right hand corner, and here we'll see our timeline resolution and our timeline frame rate. So we just need to make sure that these are the same as the project settings that we were working in Premiere Pro. For me, they are all good, so we can click save. It's already saved as a preset, so I can click cancel. And then we're going to actually import our XML. So we'll go up to File, we'll go up to Import, Timeline, and we'll find our XML. So I saved mine on the desktop, so I'll just click here, Import, and then there are a couple of settings that we need to make sure we tick here. So one is automatically set project settings. It's already ticked. And the other is automatically import source clips into media pool. So we'll make sure that's ticked. Our timeline resolution is all good. Our frame rate's all good. And our sizing information is ticked as well. So this is all fine. If you want your audio channels or your audio tracks to be linked as one group, you can click this. If not, keep it unchecked. And we'll go ahead and click OK. And here's our timeline from Premiere Pro. So I had a simple timeline. I had 2 audio clips and 1 clip without any audio. And this plays back perfect and it's all ready for grading. Hope that helps, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.